friends, and happy spooky season! So on my channel, what I've been doing for the past few years is that once a week during Halloween season, spooky season, October, if you don't want to call it spooky season, I'll do a Halloween look. And this time I decided to do a little twist on it. Instead of creating my own Halloween looks, like I'm still going to be doing them, but I thought, hey, let me try some like really fancy looking Halloween looks with zero practice ahead of time and see how they look on my face. Now, I would say that I am fairly well skilled at normal makeup, but not really at like super artistic makeup. So this will be interesting. I'm kind of already regretting it, just with the idea now that I'm actually sitting down to do it. But this will be interesting to see how this looks. If you would like to see more of these videos and you are catching this on the first video, they are going to be airing every Friday in October. If you are not catching it at the beginning though, I will have that playlist linked down below for you. And this is not a concept that I came up on my own. I think it was last year, I watched the YouTuber Smoky Glow do this, so I will link her videos like this down below as well. So this is the first look that we are doing. It's a half face, so half of the face is going to be a glam look and the other half is going to be like mermaid-ish, like Munster sort of look. Anyway, I think I'm going to attack this by doing the half that's going to be glam first, and then I'll come back to do the other half. Okay, so let me go. I'm going to go do the half glam look and I will be right back. So I did the half glamour side and I did a not backlash. I did a black eyebrow. I was gonna say liner. I did a black eyebrow because she has one, but she has a lot darker hair than I do. So that may have just been her normal color, and I don't have any falsies and I wasn't gonna go out to get some. So we just got, like, for this whole series, we're just gonna be working with what we have. So let's get started on the other half of the face. Now I did put down what I use as eyeshadow primer on like a normal day, and I thought that this would be good for it not to stain my face because I do have like actual like face paint. So hopefully this will help it to not stain my face. I just put down Painterly from MAC's Paint Pots. So let's get started. I think first I need to somehow mix up that color. I doubt I'm gonna get that color perfect though. I don't know. I'm pretty good at mixing colors for canvas, so potentially I can get that color. It just kind of looks like an aqua green. So let's see. I'm gonna take like a color that looks like this and just try to mix that together. Just the best we can do. By the way, as I'm doing this, my neighbors just got home upstairs, and anytime they take a shower, they blast their music to the point that I can hear it. Like, it's in my apartment, I can hear it. So I will try to like take that out during editing or like kind of like minimize it, but it is so annoying. And I guess I could, like, they only do it, from what I gather, when they're taking a shower, which is good. Like, it's morning and night, so like at least they're clean people. But like we have quiet time from like 10:30 to 10:30 in my complex, and they always turn it off. Like, when it's supposed to be quiet time, they turn it off. But like all their times, like you shouldn't, like, I don't want to be that old person to be like, you youths, your music's too loud, because I like listening to loud music too. But like, I'm also hard of hearing, so like if my hard of hearing ass can hear this, your music is too loud. But I don't want to be that neighbor. Like, definitely I wouldn't go confront them like in their own apartment. But I don't even want to be that neighbor to like go, oh, I got in my hair, to go and like tell the front office. Like, cause you know, I don't want to be. But like, I don't know, after seeing the first few episodes of Dahmer, maybe I should be that neighbor who goes and complains when things are happening. So I guess, cause like right here, cause she has that, it's kind of like bleeding down and blending down. So I guess it's gonna be all over, but I'm not gonna put it all over my eyelid because it looks like that is not how she has it. This also doesn't look like the color she has it. So you might be asking yourself, well, Theresa, I realize I never introduced myself. If you are new here, hi, I'm Theresa. I realize I kind of just jumped right in there. But I am a lover of all things beauty, books, Disney. Well, not all things Disney, just Disney parks specifically, and art. So that's the type of content I post. And if you want to see more of this garbage fire, feel free to hit that subscribe button and join our community. So now that we are properly introduced, you might be asking yourself, or want to ask me, Theresa, you said you don't know how to do this, and clearly I don't, but why do you have face paints if you don't? And that's because I did genuinely, when I purchased these, I did genuinely want to get into more artistic face painting like this, and I still do. It's just, who has the time? When do people find the time to do this? So let me know in the comments down below, are you doing anything for Halloween? Are you dressing up? I have doctor appointments on Halloween day, so that's my big fun thing. I get to go to a cardiologist, and all those super fun things. So let me live vicariously through you. Let me know down below, and if you are dressing up as something, let me know that too. This is a lot bluer than hers. I think next I want to do the lash. Did it again. The brow, not the lash. And so I'm going to draw that on with black. This looks, and this is why I picked this one, because I thought like, oh, that's going to be a super easy look. It's like, I don't know, because now that I'm actually doing it, I'm like, but there's a lot of detail in this. Never been good at drawing on brows that like are not my own. All right, so. I feel like I look like the genie from Aladdin. Oh. This eyebrow's a whole vibe. I guess I should have done like the whole, I forgot to do that, like the whole like gluing down my eyebrow and like powdering over it to create a smooth canvas, but haven't done drag-ish makeup in a while, so didn't even think of that. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a purple now for the eye makeup. Let's see. So this looks like, there is some shimmer there. I'll go in with the shimmer that I currently have. Oh no. Oh no. I realize now that I'm doing this, she probably mistakes were made. She probably did this eye with just regular eyeshadow. I realize. Oh no. Oh well. We're going with it. A decision was made. Let's do this, okay? Maybe I should go confront my neighbor looking like this. I'd be the scary neighbor. See, we all have our parts to play. So like upstairs, music too loud. Next door, racist neighbor. I could be the crazy makeup neighbor, Okay, we can fix this. I feel like I can fix this. Okay, let's see. So I think if I like blend out a bit, I can fix this. Okay, hold on. I don't know why I'm trying to blend out with more pigment on that brush. Let's just, this has gone horribly wrong. In so many different ways. Okay, so let's go in with some black. I feel like if I go in with the eyeshadow now, it's just going to ruin that palette. And I love this palette so much. Because as I was doing this and like really up close in the magnified mirror, I was like, yeah, I'm saving it. I'm saving this. I'm saving this look. Oh, okay. We're still gonna try. I feel like by the time I get to the last one, like I will have learned, like skills will have been mastered. So hopefully it's a little better. Okay, I'm gonna leave this alone for a moment while I talk to Jesus and ask him to make it better. Okay. And I'm gonna go in to do the jagged edges to meet the glamour side, which looks good. I like this side, and this. So it just looks like some craggly bits. Okay. Okay, like, that's not horrible. Okay. I didn't think that through. This was gonna make my nose itch a bit. Okay. By the way, I'm not committed to doing the whole, like, neck and shoulder. Actually, I don't mind. I just don't have to scrub it off because my collarbone still really hurts from my shoulder surgery and collarbone surgery. So I'm just gonna stop here and just do a little jagged design so it looks a little complete. Complete. Okay, I do have to say I am kind of impressed-ish with this side of the face. Bam! Alright, I have 15% of my battery left on my phone, so I really have to hurry up with this. Hopefully, I'll be able to do something to kind of help. So I think I'm going to try to go in with some sparkle. Not glitter, because it doesn't look like glitters on her face. It looks like, honestly, it's just like pure sparkle. Shimmer, not sparkle. Whereas I'm going to go and try to kind of fade this down like it looks like she has. It's coming down a bit to see if that kind of helps to diffuse it. I mean, it's sort of helped. Not a lot, but sort of. Okay. And then she has the piece de resistance, I think would be the small amount of contouring she has there. Oh, let me not forget the little beauty mark. I wish it was where mine is, because that would be so easy. So, like, right there. Perfection! Alright, so the contour. Green. We got this. We got some green here. I'm gonna mix the two greens. Now, contouring isn't really something I've done in a while, but I can contour, like with regular contouring. I can contour that really well. Like, I can whittle cheekbones down to, like, sharp as glass. But you wouldn't know it with this. Alright. Okay. And now for the lashes. Which one I was putting this on? I just bought this today. I know it's not a new mascara, but I'm trying out all these different drugstore mascaras to see which one's the best. And so this is just the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. And as I was putting it on with this look for the first time, I was like, oh, I'm not really that impressed with it. But up close in a mirror, like, it does look pretty good. Just not what I was expecting. I guess for it to volumize, because it's called Lash Blast Volume, but it's not at all. It just lengthens your lashes, which I already have, like, thankfully, I already have long lashes. So, we look like twins, don't we? So this was fun. This was fun. Is it the best look I've ever done in my life? No. But considering I didn't practice this, don't hate it. Oh my god, it looks so horrible, doesn't it? Okay, so let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you have a picture of something that you would like for me to do during the rest of the month, let me know, leave the link, or let me know, like, specifically what picture from what, like, Instagram or this or that you would like me to do. Give me some inspiration. Leave in the comments down below, 1 being, like, garbage fire, complete garbage fire, 2, 5 being like, oh my god, that's identical to what she did. Drop that number down below of how you think this looks. Okay, now's the time for you to let me know what you thought of today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know someone who wants to be amused and who wants to feel better about their makeup skills and their life choices, send this video out to them now, or just, you know, someone who wants a good chuckle. They might enjoy this. That is it for me today. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.